Welcome to Sky Broking Weekly Market Commentary. Disclaimer: this weekly market commentary is for information purpose only. Before taking any decision, consult your financial advisor. Major data of this week has economic related data and the major events like OPEC JMMC meeting and US FOMC statement on Wednesday. Now let's see the precious metals outlook. Gold and silver has news like gold is starting to gain some momentum after its third weekly gain. The macro backdrop is mostly bullish for gold now that bond yields remain in a downtrend. Improving physical demand from India and China alongside strong central bank demand has provided some underlying support for gold and Federal Reserve's monthly meeting due to next Wednesday. Fundamentally, this is a mixed news for precious metals, and technically speaking, last week we mentioned gold will break above 47500, which means further rally on positive up to 47883, and that had exactly happened, and it has generated 38,300 rupees worth profit is shown. And in this week, gold may expect to drop up to 46966, then it will be seen recovery. For silver also, last week we mentioned break above 69400, which means some more upswings, and that had happened with 1000 points rally and 30,000 rupees worth profit is shown. And in this week, silver will be in a mixed trend with support of 67055 and resistance like 70699. These are the major precious metals outlook. Now let's see the energy outlook. First is crude oil. It has the news like Wednesday is the big day with OPEC plus JMMC meeting and the release of both Genscape weekly crude inventories in Europe's ARA region and the EIA crude oil inventory report. Fundamentally, this is a mixed news for crude oil, and technically speaking, crude oil may expect mixed rallies with supports are 4498 and 4438 and resistances are 4767 and 4868 levels. Next is natural gas. It has the news like US utilities likely injected an above normal 49 billion cubic feet of natural gas into storage last week as mild weather curbed heating demand. Fundamentally, this is a slight positive news for natural gas, and technically speaking, natural gas remains in a positive bias with resistance of 212 ranges until break below 199 levels. These are the major energy outlook. Now let's see the base metals outlook. First is copper. It has a news like stocks of copper in Shanghai bonded areas increased on larger arrivals. This is fundamentally a slight negative news for copper, and technically speaking, copper may expect a positive trade with resistance of 755 and support like 716 levels. Next is aluminum. It has the news like open interest rose 27,612 lots to 2,98,682 lots. This is fundamentally a positive news for aluminum, and technically speaking, aluminum may expect a positive range-bound trade. Next is lead. It has a news like operating rates across lead acid battery producers has dropped 0.67%. This is fundamentally a slight negative news for lead, and technically speaking, lead may expect a profit booking on higher levels. Next is zinc. It has a news like zinc stocks fell 18,700 MT, which is expected to support zinc prices. This is fundamentally a positive news for zinc, and technically speaking, zinc may expect a profit booking on higher levels. Next is nickel. It has a news like low US dollar index and fund buying activity in the complex. This is fundamentally a positive news for nickel, and technically speaking, nickel may remain in a range bound trade with support of 1195 and resistance of 1281.7 levels. Overall, our weekly market commentary has generated 68,000 rupees profit has been shown. For more profits and information, visit our website www.skycommodities.com. Thank you by Sky Broking.